go, here's a couple bucks to a stranger. Who knows, that could turn into a meal. Literally, what's the point if you can't heal and turn other people's day around? What comes around goes around. Tired of the drinking and falling on the ground. The lifestyle of a small town. I enjoy the scenery, the El Rey, Madison, Bear Garden too. And baby girl, what's up with you? I love that sexy look, you really got me head over heels. And I'm all up in the forest. I rap the verse and sing the chorus. I got my goggles on like Horace Grant. Welcome to my camp, if you down, you gon' fuck with the champ. Like Ali, played by Will Smith. When I'm free, I had no problem spitting my shit, spitting my shit, spitting my shit. Let the hate be gone and get my grown man on. I'm all up in the zone, ET, yeah, I'm headed home. I gotta remind myself that life's a fight, so I'm gonna fight as I ride through the night.
Tender with breezes, caressing and whole, alive with music of timeless bliss. This moment of now.
Don't be greedy. There's so many people that are hungry. Don't worry. No worries. Cruising, riding easy under the sunset. Yeah, that's over you. The clouds are green. Using my energy to be free. To be free. You gotta do the right thing in a world so wrong. Bringing peace, it's a starving artist song. It's time to give back like the clock says. Protect the weak, so many angels I meet as I walk the street. To a steady beat, a smile to greet. Gotta face the truth, we all can't be rich. So I live not for the dough, but the expression of the truth. I'm out the dough for show. I rely on people to pick me up when I'm down. Hand me my crown, so thick, never watered down. It's the sound that I feel, no shield as I walk the battlefield. Keeping it real, I could talk about money and guns, but that wouldn't make the world a better place. At the end of the day, I gotta look into the mirror, enjoy this beautiful face, don't let it fade away. Let's get together like a Michael Frosti concert. Hands in the air, move to the beat, move my feet, just being alive. This is home for the thoughts and I'm keeping it live.
Alive with music.
Don't be greedy. There's so many people that are hungry. Don't worry.